Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And now I wanna make a short tutorial about how to make a microbit touch in microbit. And I'm really because microbit in downstairs and I'm really to take it. And now maybe we are started. Okay, and now you have in what name in microbit, right? Nah, if you have in microbit, you press you should take this uh, 1 2 3 on pin press, and when you done that you press in pin 1 and pin 2 in here, and you will go to show LED and send to press 1 2 3, and if then you make some zero number, okay, and one number and two. Nah, two. And we take with them pause 1000 ms. Yes. Okay, 1000, yeah, not 100 but 1000. Now I'm thinking why I'm speak English, but it's okay. And my day is very bad, maybe. Nah, and we take in here again on pin 1, pin 2, and pin 3, and duplicate again, and here, here, and here. And if done, we start in clear screen and duplicate again in here and in here, and we are P1, P2, and if done, okay, maybe just this. If we are star, why he don't want that? Why he don't want that? Hey, on pin oh, I forgot. It's not pin press, but yeah, a pin release. And here in more, have a pin release. Oh god, I'm wrong. I'm sorry. And duplicate is 3, not a press, but P1. And delete. Oh no, oh no. And if we are done, on start pin 1, pin 1, 0, 1, 2. Now we don't make a tree, right? Now it's done. How to make my copy size. And okay, this is my tutorial, and thank you for watching. And assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.